Hello, welcome to day 19 of our 28-day gratitude practice that we are doing with the help of the book called The Secret, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. Today's chapter is Magical Footsteps. Today's chapter is actually inspired by Einstein. Einstein, the Nobel Prize winning physicist. According to Einstein, 100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depend on the labor of the men living and dead, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and I am still receiving. So Einstein, being such a great physicist, used to pay gratitude 100 times in a day, and we all know Einstein's story. He was expelled from his school, and he turned out to be a great physicist. His work in the field of physics is enormous, and till date we are grateful for whatever contribution he has done to the society, to the physics, to the science. Einstein, if being such a great physicist, is saying that gratitude is important and saying 100 times is important, then definitely it is. So today we are going to thank 100 times just like Einstein. What we are going to do is we are going to walk for approximate 90 seconds. You can increase but never decrease the time limit. So in 90 seconds we usually walk 100 steps. A normal person can walk 100 steps at a leisurely pace. And when we are taking a footstep, left foot thank you, right foot thank you, left foot thank you, right foot thank you. So like that you have to take your footsteps. Do not count the footsteps. It's not that you should take 100 steps, that is important, but it is the feeling of gratitude that we feel while taking that 100 steps, that is important. So set a timer or set a destination where you think you would complete 100 steps, close to 100 steps. So while walking towards that destination or walking for that particular time that you have set in your stopwatch, say thank you, feel thank you. Say thank you, feel thank you with every footstep you take. The best part of this assignment is that it can be done anywhere and everywhere. You can do it at the airport, you can do it while walking down to the store, you can do it while walking down the street, you can do it in the malls, you can do it at your home, from walking from one room to the other or to the kitchen. So wherever you are comfortable, wherever you can focus on the magical footsteps and focus on saying thank you and feeling thank you, this exercise can be done there. If you will notice, the feeling with which you began doing the assignment will change dramatically, will change magically. You will feel more peaceful, more calm and more happy. If you are feeling down before magical footsteps, it will improve and make you bring you towards joyfulness. And if you are already in a good mood before starting the magical footsteps, then it will put you in a great mood. So a very famous writer, William A. Ward, once said that there are 86,400 seconds in a day. How many of them have you used to say thank you? So proudly from today say that you have used 90 seconds to say that thank you. Keep this assignment as your daily routine, as your daily assignment, and see the magics getting unfolding for yourself. Keep doing the Count Your Blessing and Magic Rock exercises without fail, and see the power of subconscious mind. See your life changing. If you want to be a part of my guided book reading sessions, then please contact us via the link of Facebook, which is provided in the description box of this video below, and we'll get you enrolled. Good luck with the assignment, and thank you for following the channel. Thank you.